Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the desktop site option in Google Chrome. If you've ever opened a web page on your phone and noticed it's displaying in desktop mode instead of the mobile version, it can be frustrating. The good news is, turning this off is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the menu icon. Tap on that to open up the Chrome menu. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Tap on it to enter Chrome's main settings menu. This is where you can adjust everything from privacy controls to site preferences. Inside the settings menu, locate the section called Site Settings. This is the place where Chrome stores all permissions and display options that websites can use when they load on your device. Tap on Site Settings to continue. Now, look for the option that says Desktop Site. This is the feature that allows websites to load in their desktop version instead of the mobile-friendly layout. If the toggle switch next to Desktop Site is turned on, that means Chrome is forcing sites to open in desktop mode. To disable it, simply tap the switch so it turns off. Once it's toggled off, Chrome will stop loading pages in desktop view and will default back to the mobile version anytime it's available. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've disabled the desktop site option in Google Chrome, making your browsing experience smoother and optimized for your phone. No more zooming in and out or dealing with menus built for a larger screen. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to save it for later or share it with someone who might be having the same issue. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference when browsing the web on mobile.